Simplesat allows you to create a CSAT, CES, 5-star, or NPS survey that you can embed directly into your Help Scout email notification templates. Start by creating a survey and customizing your settings as much as you like. Then, choose the external email embed option in the Publish tab. Select Help Scout from the pop-up box. Click the Generate Embed Code button. You can either select the visual or HTML option. Then, click Copy Survey. To add your survey, go to your Help Scout account and then proceed to Settings, and then Workflows. You have the option to either edit an existing workflow or create a new one. Then, set the workflow conditions and actions. Under Workflow Actions, click on Customize Email. Paste the survey code that you've copied from your Simplesat account. To test, click Send Email. Lastly, click Activate Workflow to save. We're all set. Now, let's look at how Simplesat integrates with Help Scout. Each time a rating is received, Simplesat will associate the resulting information with the response. Simplesat can also update a conversation's tags with rating and sentiment after receiving new feedback. This makes it easy to streamline the processes and provide context for current customer interactions. Simplesat offers the option to display feedback in the related conversation as an internal note. This enhances your team's ability to access and respond to customer feedback efficiently. Display feedback in the related conversation custom fields, allowing for organized and customized data integration. Simplesat lets you display a contact's latest rating and sentiment in the context properties. This ensures that your team has a quick access to up-to-date customer insights. After embedding your survey into Help Scout, everything will operate seamlessly in the background without requiring any additional effort on your end. If you have any questions or need assistance, our team is ready to help you through live chat or a quick screen share call.